Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
My voice is coming very low. Now is it coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How is everyone doing? Who is this Anisha?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. How is everyone? Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Keep joining. We have 9th B also. Actually, you people, whose class is this? Second period Monday?
Principal, sir.
Okay.
Principal, sir.
Okay, fine. So you have been given to me. Let everyone join B section as well. We'll start with the geography chapter, third, drainage, right, class?
Ma'am, what question answers are left to be discussed?
We'll do it in the class only, no? Or you want me
Okay,
to do
ma'am.
it here? If you want me to do it here only, I will do that also.
Ma'am,
Do
in the class.
Ma'am, we can do in class.
I'm in the class.
Listen, we have one more class today, right? Second last period, okay?
Ma'am.
So we'll do in that, okay? ये तीन एंजल
Okay, ma'am.
जो आ रहे हैं ज्वाइन करने क्लास में, हाँ? I hope everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let everyone join. Waiting for everyone to come into the class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Cameras are not working.
They are working.
They are working. Huh? Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bacha. Good morning. Okay, I hope you all have geography books with you.
Yes, ma'am. History or geography?
No, we'll start with geography, Bacha. We'll start with geography, right? Huh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Anushka. Good morning. I'm sharing the screen with you all. My voice is not clear, Ayushi. Can you all hear me, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe there is some problem with your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you all can see the screen.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes,
Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, right. Screen has disappeared. Wait. Okay, I hope now you all can see the screen, class.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, the name of the chapter that we are going to start is drainage. Now, what is drainage? Do you know? Any one of you? You must have come across this term
Sewage
several
line.
times, no? Huh?
And sewage line.
It is what?
Sewage line.
I'm not getting you. Can you be little louder?
Ma'am, sewage line.
Sewage line. Actually, हमें यही पता है when we say drainage, we come to that only, okay? But here, this drainage does not mean that we are going to read about the sewage line. We are going to read about the system of flowing water from the higher level to the lower levels. We all know that all the rivers, they have a due course of time, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
They origin from different, like they have different origins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If we talk about Ganga or Brahmaputra, we all know these are Himalayan rivers. They originate from the glaciers, from Himalayas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you what is the main source of water, what will you tell me?
Ma'am, Himalayan mountains.
Ma'am, rain.
One by
Rain. Ma'am, rain.
Rain and glacier.
it is the rain, right? Okay, what else? We have
Glacier.
glaciers. Yes.
Rivers.
We have various sources of water like rivers and lakes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, why are we going to study this drainage pattern? If you remember class, I think class 8th, we read about, class 7th, we read about the river course, where we read that, when the river origins from its source, and when it origins from its source, it keeps on traveling from the mountains to the upper middle stage, and then it comes to the lower stage, where it finally, enters the mouth. And the mouth is basically that place from where it finally, merges with the larger water body, say ocean or sea, right? Do you
Yes,
remember?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember anything of class 7th class? I think this chapter was in the landforms, various landforms. where we read about the course of a river, right? Right, class?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Never mind, never mind. So if we say, if I say that what is drainage? Drainage is basically a system of flowing water from high to low levels, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this drainage is basically, it describes the river system
India.
of an area, not India, bacha. Drainage basically describes the river system of an area. Like if I ask you, जैसे someone said no that it is about the sewage. When we say drainage, it is about the sewage. तो आप देखो आपके घरों में जो टैप्स होते हैं, just a second. ओके हमारे घर में जो टैप्स होते हैं, जितने भी हमारे घर में रूम्स हैं, जैसे वॉशरूम्स हैं, आपके सिंक वगैरह जहाँ लगे हुए हैं, वॉश बेसिन जिसको हम बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे भी लगे हुए हैं, उसका एक एक किसी एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस में ड्रेनेज होता है. यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व दिस, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
होता है ना?
Yes.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली. तो ये जो रिवर सिस्टम होता है ना, ये किसी भी एरिया में जो रिवर फ्लो करती है, उसका क्या सिस्टम है, वो कहाँ पे जाके जो है फाइनली एक लार्जर वाटर बॉडी में ड्रेन करती है, ये बेसिकली ड्रेनेज सिस्टम वो बताता है. ठीक है. जैसे इफ यू टॉक अबाउट गंगा रिवर सिस्टम, वी ऑल नो दैट गंगा स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हिमालयाज, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And in due course of time, it travels a long distance and finally, merges with Bay of Bengal.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Everyone knows this,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right? No? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is what it says, that when water flows from the higher level to the lower level, or from the mountains to the plains, it ultimately drains into a larger water body, right? Like if we take example of this peninsular rivers, you know which all are peninsular rivers in our country?
Yes, they are.
Yes, can anyone tell? Dhruv, can you tell which are the peninsular rivers?
Ma'am, they are the rivers, ma'am, that originate from the peninsular area, ma'am, like Narmada, Mahanadi, Godavari, and ma'am, Kaveri river.
Very good. Very good. Beta, who is this on the other side? Chalo. So peninsular rivers are the rivers that have origin in the peninsula, right? These generally they origin from the western ghats of the country. Like we have western ghats. From there, they origin basically the central highlands which we have. They are the main origin place of this peninsular rivers. Not all the peninsular rivers drain in the Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapi, these are the two rivers which are west flowing and they drain in Arabian Sea, and other four they drain in Bay of Bengal, right? Just like that, the Himalayan rivers that we have, namely Ganga, Brahmaputra. These rivers, they have their drainage basin in the Bay of Bengal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Okay.
This so we all know, right? Now, the area that is drained by a single river system is called the drainage basin. What is it called?
Drainage.
Drainage basin.
Fine.
Drainage basin.
Area drained by Right, class? Now I'm sharing a PPT with you all. That PPT has different terminology which is used in this chapter. So let us be acquainted with those terminologies, and then we'll start with the further explanation in the reading part. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Me a minute for the same.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Can you all see the screen, beta?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I'm sharing, beta. I'm sharing. Now you all can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a bit clear.
Yes. It is a bit what?
On my screen is a bit clear. It's blurred.
Okay. Harshita, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Read out the first term that is written over here.
Ma'am, terminology.
What is the first term written over here? Drainage, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out. What is it written?
Drainage. Drainage is the system of flowing water from the higher level to lower level.
Drainage is the system of flowing water from higher level to the lower level. Can you look at the picture over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now, what can you see in this picture, class?
Ma'am, water cycle.
Okay. Let us focus on the topic that we have started. Now see, can you see a small river that is flowing over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Ice is written over there. See, this river is actually has its origin from the Himalayas, right? It is flowing down the lane, and then see, when it comes to the plains, it finally merges in the sea. Sea is the final destination for any river that has an origin from the Himalayas or any other place, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Fine. So drainage is now clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the second term. What is the second term? Can we
Drainage
have,
basin.
Drainage basin.
Ansh, read out, beta.
Second term is drainage basin. It means the area drained by a single river system is called drainage basin.
Area drained by a single river system is called drainage basin. Now, can you see the picture over here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
this
ma'am.
picture telling you? What is this picture telling you?
Small rivers emerging in one.
Ma'am, how about
Ma'am, small rivers are merging in one sea.
Yes, yes. See, a spring that has originated, the drainage divide is there. See this raised platform that we have, it is the drainage divide. Now from here, different types of water sources you can see. See, a spring is there, a tributary is there. Then you see the main river channel that is joined by various water sources. And then finally, this river, it merges into the main sea, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this is the
ma'am.
drainage. See, all these channels which you can see, be it a tributary or a spring, all these they merge into the main river, and this main river, from wherever they are coming, they are draining, and finally they are falling, merging into the main sea. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yeah.
Chaliye. Can we have Aditya reading the next one?
Okay, ma'am. Drainage system.
Hmm.
The network of drainage channels is called the drainage system.
ठीक है. What is the picture showing?
How drainage system is made, like from tributaries to river and river to whole between two mouths of the sea.
Now, see, it is written source of river. Source of river is clear to everyone. The source of river is basically the place from where the river originates, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And this river water is added with, different, so added by different sources of water. And finally, the ultimate end is what? It merges into the main
Sea.
sea, and that place from where it enters the main sea is called the mouth of the river, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now let us
Yes.
go to the next picture and term, catchment area. Ayush Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, read beta.
Okay, ma'am. A river drains the water collected from a specific area, which is called a catchment area.
Catchment area. Ayush, read. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पढ़ो बेटा, इतना टाइम लगा रहे हैं.
अरे ma'am, a river drains the water collected from a specific area, which is called a catchment. Ma'am, red.
Okay, just a second. Next. What is next?
Ma'am, you are viewing the screen.
अच्छा ये बंद हो गया. Just a second बेटा.
And
Just
ma'am,
a
we are
second.
seeing from your
Just a second. Just a second.
दीदी, मैम ने ना अभी जरा व्हाट्सएप खुल गई थी मैम की, तो लिख कर आया माँ एयरटेल माँ एयरटेल. पलक मैम कह रही मैं भी बहुत मिस करती हूँ, पहले से स्कूल में पढ़ाती थी तो छोड़ के चली गई, दिल्ली में चली गई, तो मैं भी बहुत मिस करती हूँ आप लोग को. और माँ एयरटेल. पबजी, सीओसी, सीओडी.
शांतम माइक ऑफ कर अपना.
where did ma'am go?
बेटा just a second. Just a second. Beta, give me a minute, okay? I don't know, some
Okay,
problem is there. हाँ, some problem is there. Just a second, huh?
Ma'am, please take your time.
Hmm. Can you hear me, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine. Now I am opening. Wait. Shares. I don't know. There is some problem that has occurred. I am not able to share. Can you hear me, class?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not able
Yes, ma'am.
to share my this thing screen. I don't know what has happened. All of a sudden, it is gone.